Hello guys, today I'm going to show you super quick way to update your apps on an LG Smart TV. First, grab your remote and press home button. Then head over the apps icon on the screen. Next, look for the profile icon, usually at the top of the right. Click on it and find the app update options. In the update sections, you will see two parts: one, system app updates, and downloaded app updates. If they are updated available, you will see them listed here. If not, like on my TV, you are all set. If you have update, just hit update all button. And that's it, your LG Smart apps are now up to date with latest versions. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share near out in YouTube channel. Any questions, drop a comment below and I will reply to all. See you next time.